This is Lily Shaunala from CMTV. I'm back again with another episode. This is calling your partner to confirm if your partner is loyal. As you know, guys, I have 1,000 rand here. This 1,000 rand is up for the grabs. So if your partner is loyal, you're gonna get this 1,000 rand. If your partner is loyal, there is someone that I'm seeing. So let's get working. Let's get working. Down go. I'll give you a challenge there before. Hey, before anything happens, see someone short and sweet. Hello,
Hi,
how are you doing?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
I'm good. My name is Lily Shaunala. I'm from CMTV. I'm doing a show where I test relationships, but I don't only test. I give you 1,000 rand if umuntu wakho loyal. So I'm gonna give you 1,000 rand if your partner is loyal. And here's the money. So this is the 1,000 rand that I'm gonna give you if your partner is loyal.
Okay.
Yes. So what you
Yeah, get you. Get you.
Hey, you look very shy.
Yeah, I'm shy. Hey.
What you
Yeah, casual.
If it's all going
Get khothatso.
Kotatso.
Mm.
Nice to meet you, Kotatso. How long have you been in a relationship with your partner and are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy. Like, it's been 3 years now.
Mm. Okay. And you guys have a baby?
No.
Okay, you don't.
Yeah.
When last did you see umuntu wakho?
Izolo.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, big night.
Umufela?
Hey, come right.
Okay. Right, this is good. This is good. Okay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna call umuntu wakho ne.
Okay.
I need your partner's numbers. You know, number wakhe.
Okay.
Yeah, so ngizomfonela. But don't text. Ngicela unike phone ngithape ngiyacela. Wena angifuni ubambe ifoni because uzomtshela ukuthi baby bazofona manje.
Bathu.